choice. At number 3, we have the Eufy S1 Pro. The S1 Pro excels as a versatile robot vacuum with standout obstacle detection and powerful cleaning capabilities. Its advanced 3D matrix-eye system combines LiDAR and binocular infrared imaging to navigate around furniture legs, cords, and small objects effortlessly, minimizing interruptions during cleaning cycles. The 8,000 Pascal suction effectively lifts debris from both hard floors and carpets, while dual rotating brushes reach into corners for thorough coverage. The turbo roller mop stands out with high-speed spinning pads applying 1 kilogram of downward pressure to scrub away stubborn stains, automatically retracting when carpets are detected to prevent cross-contamination. A 10-in-1 UniClean station streamlines maintenance by auto-emptying dust, washing mop pads with detergent, and using heated airflow for quick drying. The vacuum's square design enhances edge cleaning along walls and baseboards, complemented by customizable no-go zones via the responsive app. While exceptionally quiet in standard mode, suction noise increases noticeably on higher settings, a reasonable trade-off for deeper carpet cleaning. The system's low-profile build allows access under most furniture, though overly cautious height sensitivity may require manual adjustment via the app for optimal coverage. Multi-level mapping supports efficient cleaning across different floors, and the ozone-enhanced sanitization adds an extra hygiene layer.